Hello everyone, this is Running on Empty Food Review. Well everyone, today I have a Marshmallow cereal treats, Stockton Select, Marshmallow cereal treats, 447 calories, ingredients, Froot Loop cereal, mini marshmallows, and unsalted butter. And it looks a bit gross. And I guess we'll just hop right in. Okay. It was also a $2.79, in case you were wondering. Okay. Oh, it smells so pungent. Ew. Okay, so I've never actually eaten Froot Loops before. So this is my first actual time eating Froot Loops, and it's in this Minecraft block. So let's just hop right in. Okay. I'm gonna have to go in for another bite. Alright. I'm gonna have to go in for another bite. Shut the fuck up, I'm trying to make a video here, dickhead. I will kiss you right now.
I'm so sick. Please kiss me. I'll get you fucking sick as shit. I did.
Not well. No,
Okay.
not CDC approved.
I did this. Use my elbow.
Don't mind them. Yeah, I forget how it tastes. I'm gonna have to go in for another bite.
I could eat the whole thing.
I'm gonna have to. It's a food review.
Save some phrase.
Oh. Okay. So my I don't know how to feel about this. It tastes very soggy, but at the same time it tastes very dry and stale. So I think I'm gonna have to go in for another bite. I think all this like semen is what's making it all soggy. But like, I don't know, I think I'm gonna have to go in for another bite. So, overall, this was really bad, and I'm not a big fan of it. Yeah, that's about it. Be sure to tune in for my next food review. And thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And also, be sure to